Hello everyone, this is Melanie from MELANIE'S Creative Studio, and today we're going to take a brief look at the Canoe painting from Petunova and Aanabanana.com. This is one of my exclusive paintings in the collection at Aanabanana. The only place you will be able to purchase this kit legally and licensed is at Aanabanana.com, and this painting is so beautiful that I have selected it as one of my exclusive paintings for that collection. I wanted to give you a quick rundown about this particular painting, so let's get started. All Aanabanana kits come with a lightly tinted canvas with a beautiful texture. You will notice that the canvas is a high quality but a very thin material, which is perfect for stretching your own canvases to a canvas stretcher bar. As I have demonstrated in a video before, you can also tape mount it, dry mount it yourself, which I have also demonstrated in many videos before, so be sure to check out my YouTube channel. In addition, they include our handy printed reference guides, which are perfect for having a reference in case you've painted a section and you need to know what number was there, and this just gives you a backup for reference purposes. Back when I first purchased my kit about 9 months ago, the paints came in a little different type of container. They were not labeled. Now they're labeled and they come in a plastic tray. If you would like to pick up the foam trays, I do carry those in my store, so be sure to get yourself a couple of those at my website. And I'm going to go ahead and just show you how I use the foam trays really quickly, and we'll talk about the paints. Now, you can see by this palette why I originally chose this painting, because of its creamy, dreamy, yummy deliciousness. It is fabulous. And the paints swatched beautifully as well. The only paints in this entire palette that were not absolutely perfect were 22 and 24, which are those yellows that give us trouble, and they were semi-opaque. Now, since the time when I first got these kits, and we are talking about a very long time ago, they have since improved their paints even further. Now, if you have gotten a kit from them in the past, or you find that you're still having problem with yellows, I do have a video that can help you solve those problems, so be sure to go check that out. It is called 3 Shades of Gray, and it will help you with every translucent, transparent color on the planet. So that's the first look at this kit. I hope you enjoyed this brief overview of the Aanabanana exclusive kit, Canoe by Petunova, and now you understand why this particular kit is in my exclusive collection at Aanabanana.com. Thank you for watching. I will see you back soon.